Okay. It's my turn to try the ceviche.
All right, good morning. I got my passion fruit cake here. It looked good, wanted to try it. Boom, boom, boom. We'll see how it is. Let's dive in. I got my little mini shrimp fork to eat it. Pretty dense. It's like sweet passion fruit on the top. It's nice. It's pretty dense, dense little cake. It's like a coffee cake, but pretty dense. A little bit more of maybe cookie consistency, but it's like a jam on the top. That's what makes it. It's got chia seeds in it too. Very sweet. Very good. I like it. Here we are. Good morning. We're at an espresso bar. Getting our espresso. Thank you. Perfect. We ordered 2 different kinds. Look at the head on that. It's a Peruvian espresso at its finest.
This is the coffee roaster here, so they roast it and then they create the espresso.
He measured out the beans, weighed them, so he had the exact number of beans, and pulled 2 shots. It's got a very nice hit on it.
Yep, the guava one.
Different notes. Yep. This is like a shade grown, I can tell. Very nice, but it's very strong. That's why they always say add the water. If you just drink the espresso straight, I mean, it turns into an Americano in your stomach. You have to enjoy it separately. How's yours?
Great, I left some for you.
Interesting.
I like mine better.
Now it's fruity. Espresso is just like wine or like any other varietal. You can have a million different kinds. And so for those of you that say, I don't like espresso, I don't like that, I don't like this, you gotta try more, because you will find one that you like, I think. Same thing with chocolate.
I would agree.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers. Still just trying to figure out how té de menta became the translation when I ordered a latte con leche de almendras. I'm still thinking about it. If you have any ideas how those got confused, let me know. Old Faithful, got it right, understood when I said latte. I meant a coffee latte. Gonna be a nice massage.
Dinner first. You're getting a reflexology massage though afterwards. Long day work.
We worked a lot today. We worked a lot more today than I thought we were gonna work for a weekend. But we got it done.
It was good, yeah. We finished the book and got ours off and did typeset.
Did some other random projects and now we're ready for dinner and a massage. Like really, really ready. How do I always end up with the big one? Must be the look on my face. He saw the look on my face.
Okay, you can't come to Peru and not get a paella. So, boom, paella action is happening right now. This is a personal paella. Most paellas are like ginormous. So, typically the bottom of the rice is a little burned. It's like it's a Persian thing as well. I don't know who came up with the idea, but overcook the rice a little bit. The Spanish. Yeah, I'm sure they did. So this has got like jerky in it. It's got chicken. It's got looks like hearts of palm on the top there and sausage. Yep, like a chorizo. It's gonna be good. Last paella I had was with shrimp. What'd you get?
I have an avocado salad. With the flour, because who doesn't love flowers?
Nice. So good. We're gonna dive in. Pisco sour. Gin and tonic.
Classic.
Little egg foam topper. It's nice. Classic. It is exactly what I wanted.
Oh?
No two paellas are the same. This one's fantastic. Got hearts of palm on the top. You know, nice little finish. Surprise. It's got a really good bit of spice to it, but the butter, kind of butter finish on top of everything else that's going on here. A little spicy chorizo. It's really nice. It's exactly what I wanted.
And the avocado on my salad is literally so delicious. I want like 3 more avocados now. Well, that was great. I can always tell it's been a good massage when you fall asleep. You have lines on your forehead.
It was good. Okay. Wow.
That was nice.
That was nice. So those are the taxi drivers. They always like to say hi to us.
They noticed my hair's a different color, and so they're like, "You're a tourist. You need a ride."
Yes, and they say hello, but they also are saying other things too. But we just finished our massage.
So good. Guys, after a long flight, and being in a new country for a few days, it's so good to just kind of center with a massage. We love it. It's part of our travel routine. We worked really hard today. On accident, we worked harder than we meant to because a manuscript we were working on just wasn't working, and so we kept reworking and finally we're like, we need to go take care of ourselves. So
it was nice. It was like a reflexology and head massage. And I think I fell asleep 9 times.
Pretty much slept through my whole foot massage, but I'm sure it was amazing.
But yeah, it was so good. You should get them. They're important. It's good to increase that blood flow and get the knots out. I found so many knots they did. Amazing.
Okay, on our way to get vegan ceviche. It exists. Lima actually has a lot of vegan restaurants, even a raw vegan restaurant where everything is uncooked. But we are going to a place where they do some cooking, but there's no gluten and it's all made without any animal products whatsoever. So I'm very excited. So I get to try the ceviche because I don't really know what it's like, authentic ceviche. No idea. And somehow I forgot to put on any mascara, and my hair is in its natural, freshly showered form. So that's a treat for you all. Rarely ever do that, but you guys are with us every day now, so you get to see real life. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, so universal signs for no gluten, no added sugar, no milk, and love. I can tell the bread was frozen, which I'm not going to hold against them because it's a pandemic. But it's still very nice texture, not too like doughy, which a lot of gluten-free bread is very doughy. So. I love warm bread though. Look at this, it looks just like Jeremy's. We got the corn, we got the sweet potato, we even got the little corn nuts. And Jeremy got a pizza, which looks like a salad.
It's a salad pizza. You got look at your seaweed. It's awesome.
Okay, it's my turn to try the ceviche. So yeah, mine is also very citrusy. It's so different from stuff we have in the United States, but it's really good. A lot of lime. It's so citrusy, it tastes kind of like a vinegar. Like a really strong vinaigrette. And it's got like lots of like really nice spices on it. How's your pizza?
It's good. They took olives and like kind of fried them a little bit. It's like a tapenade. The cheese is like really nice and creamy. There's a base pesto, and then they put grilled caramelized onions on it. I like it. It's nice. It's nice. It's got mushrooms too. Obviously, little cherry tomatoes. I'm hungry. Thank you.
I need one plate or everything is good?
Oh, it's okay. Thank you.
Thank you. I want to eat this with chopsticks, but I don't think they have any.
What is it?
I don't know. The sweet potato,
Avocado, creme fraiche.
green beans. Mmm. It's like a cashew cheese. Mmm. That's nice. This is really good. It's a yellow potato for sure. Not a sweet potato. With like a cashew cream. And then it tastes like kind of like a mayonnaise tuna-y mixture in it, like a fishy kind of thing. With pickles. Pickles is what really makes it, I think. We're not quite sure if you're supposed to, like, how long you're supposed to let these soak. Because they're very dry if you eat them on their own. Mmm. Much better after like 2 minutes. I like them like that. Overall, it's a little bit, like a little spicy. They got like chilies and stuff in it, but very nice. Very, very refreshing and light. Nothing's too heavy. I mean, the sweet potato added a little density to it, but everything still feels very light, not heavy. I love the flavors, I love the balance, but just not a huge fan of the onions, but that's okay. So, forgot to put on makeup, so going with the natural look today. You guys are gonna have to get used to it if you're gonna watch us every day.